All right, we're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol SHOM 0100115. Now at 0016, up 39% from that stock pick off of the Friday on the 20th, which would have been right here where you see my little mouse right here. So I took a look at it recently before. Would have been at the 18th. It said 0013. If 0014, 0015 break, it will run if the volume continues. That was back then. But then again, you guys couldn't hold that at that time. So let's pay attention to what's going on right now. On the 19th, or I'm sorry, on the 9th, I said if volume continues, SHOM will run on alert. So I put that on alert that day on the 9th. The next day, you still would have made some gains off of that and had plenty of time to trade it off that alert. But then again, like I said, if the volume continues, I really thought it was going to be on alert. So what are we looking at here right now? 0012. Put this one on a watch. I can't put it on alert. You don't have enough technicals to line up with this to be on alert yet. But guys, this one's getting really, really wound up. I know SHOM has ran in the past. Okay, this one's made a big run in the past. I thought that it was going to be coming back to do it again. Put this one on a watch. Everything, the technical analysis behind this chart is starting to set up. Jobum, this looks like something that you would want to watch too. I kind of get your, you've got a really sense of what's going on here too. 0012 on watch needs to get above 0014. Okay, 0.0014. I'm going to put in here, it could be setting up for a run. Again, I'm adding this in there because that's obviously my opinion on it, but I base this off of a few things. And again, yeah, definitely on watch. So the Bollinger Bands are tight. The parabolic SAR could flip over. It could run if buying pressure picks up. And again, you know what? Buying pressure, what is that? Where can you see that? Over here on Investors Hangout, we now have that. You're going to be able to see this. Buying pressure is going to be those green lines. Red is going to be the sells. I am going to put something in here for you guys. Maybe like a little video or something and to show you how that thing works. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Green, red, white. Again, that is SHOM, all I have for it. Joe, what do you got?
All right, so I'm looking over at it right now. 1 second. So there's a press release from yesterday, but let's see, I gotta go to that page. It was Dr. Lu Songshang's patent technology to detect 11 kinds of cancer and 4 kinds of mental illness from a single drop of blood. The chief scientist of Biotech Precision Bharat has signed collaboration agreement with SHOM. All right, so that's the press release from yesterday, which would explain why it was up. So Southern Home Medical Incorporated, a leading developer of the healthcare industry, has announced that it will be working in cooperation with Dr. Lu on what is known as precision medicine. This will further the medical capabilities of Southern Home Medical Incorporated and allow for technologies that will help in detecting multiple illnesses from tiny sources such as a single drop of blood. As a result of such research is the ability to detect 11 kinds of cancer and 4 kinds of mental illnesses from a single drop of blood. Dr. Lu, using peripheral blood gene expression detection, abbreviated BGS, was able to have an accurate detection of whether or not the patient is at risk or suffering from cancers, including colorectal, prostate, liver, lung, nanopharyngeal, and stomach, cervical, breast, and etc. George Chang, Chief Executive Officer of SHOM, commented, precision medicine will allow SHOM to become better at detecting various illnesses and diseases in our patients. We hope to be able to apply this to our existing technologies and complement such to improve the quality of scope of our services. With our services improved, we can expect that it will become a more attractive option and promote further growth in our company. So, and then it basically just goes on to tell you more about Biotech Precision Barad and Southern Home Medical. And I mean, with this one right here, this is the one that had the press release and they had the recap on it. Remember a few months back where they had the thing that, what was it? The feature that you basically wear on your wrist for the Coca-Cola. Like, remember it was like a third party thing. Remember that one, David? Yeah, this is that same company. So I mean, what I would always advise with anybody is obviously go and check out their financials. Their quarterly that was published on December 21st, 2016. Give you a better idea what's going on with the company. It's always a good thing. And that's pretty much all I have to offer.
All right, let me. All right, there we go on that. So again, that is stock ticker symbol SHOM. You guys, like I said, it's on watch. Needs to get above. It needs to get above the 0014. It could be setting up for a run if that buying pressure continues. And right now you're at 0011. Watch for it. If that doesn't hold, I mean, you're really at bottom. I'd hate to see if the 0011 doesn't hold, the bottom can fall out. And I'm just speaking off of technical analysis, guys, of what I see on it. So you know what to look for if it's going to start running again. So SHOM, thank you, Joe, for adding all the information. And again, look at this. This isn't a bad thing. Over here on the time and sales on Investors Hangout, you got two buys in a row. And then someone's definitely trying to take out the ask. 400,000.
Well, they were yeah, they're June from this 24 quarterly report I'm looking at. The revenues were, I think if they're in thousands, I don't know if they're in millions or thousands, but I'm guessing they're in thousands. And the 3 months ended on June 30th, 2016. Revenues were $10,311, and with the direct costs of $2,728. I should go back, and then it's basically they have a net loss of $1,171. So let's see if it doesn't say if it's in millions or thousands. So I'm going to assume that it's thousands. Yeah, so the current assets right now are $96,525 on this quarterly report.
Okay. So, all right. Again, that's stock ticker symbol SHOM. If you guys are following this one, interested in it, whatever the case might be, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com.